2 days. You know what happens on August 6th in New Albany, Indiana? The annual King of the Deathmatches. And when I think of this prestigious tournament, one of the premier tournaments in the US, I think of me. And I'll tell you why, because for the last 2 years, I've won the goddamn thing. 2014, it was Josh Crane and I in the finals. I won. Last year, nobody thought I could go back to back. Myself and John Murdoch in the finals, who won? Me. The first ever to go back to back to win King of the Deathmatches. 2016, there's probably not a God's honest chance that anybody thinks that I could three-peat, that I could go back to back to back. Well, let me tell you something. 13-hour drive from Atlantic City to Indiana, and I am not coming back to Jersey empty-handed. 15 men stand in my way in a field of 16. A field full of veterans, past winners, and some up-and-comers vying to become king. In the first round, I draw Jeff Cannonball, Brad Cash, and Brian Woods 100 light tubes. I have to go through those 3 individuals, and I will, to advance to the next round, to get to the finals. Because I will go back to back to back, no matter what anybody says, no matter what the critics say, no matter what the odds are. I've won 6 tournaments, 2 of them King of the Deathmatches. And I plan on adding another to become a 7-time deathmatch tournament winner in 2 days. Because the most violent tournament of them all, this Saturday afternoon, is mine. So to the other 15 participants in this year's King of the Deathmatches, I am at my most violent. I'm pretty pissed off, and I'm kind of excited. Because every year, this time of year, I know what it entails to become king. And I will defend my crown proudly. And to the 15 men that stand in my way, bring your fucking A game. Because I'm not coming in and I'm not taking anybody lightly. You're gonna have to kill me to take me off my fucking throne. I will go back to back to back. In 2 days, it's blood and guts. It's violence for the sake of violence. IWA Midsouth, the Bulldozer's coming. The king is returning. And I will become, once again, the king of the death matches.